everyone! Today's little tutorial is about caring for orchids. This is a Phalaenopsis orchid. This one will live forever, but usually they only live for about 6 months during the flowering period, but if you cut them right back, they can come back. Typically the Phalaenopsis orchid is from tropical areas and it likes the temperature between 24 and 29 degrees Celsius, and it doesn't like being under air conditioning because it will dry out. The real tip with Phalaenopsis is to keep the roots moist. They like to stay nice and damp, and you want to water them with an espresso cup worth of mineralized or filtered water with vitamins and minerals, about an espresso cup worth for every stem every 7 to 10 days. If you can, take it out, sit it in the water until the water has been soaked up by the roots, and put it back in the pot once it's done. Or you can feed it with a potassium high diluted water.